Bangladesh war was going to happen. And I'm sure my mother was so stressed because my father had to go for war and she was pregnant with so many complications. And my brother was born on 4th of April 1972, and he was a premature baby. He was put in the NICU. And the sisters and the doctors wouldn't allow me, a 5-year-old girl, to go inside. I didn't know what that white dress was, and my sister was 2 years elder to me. So that day I said, I want to wear this white uniform so that I don't stop any sister, you know. I don't want to, be a barrier. I want to actually help when children are born so that the brothers and sisters can meet. And to my utter surprise, it happened. I finally did become a doctor. And above that, I became a gynecologist. And my brother left me in 2005 and he moved on his journey. He had cerebral palsy. So I had that pain within me. When I became a gynec, I said, I don't want mothers to go through that kind of stress because stress definitely impacts the baby. And not just the baby, the coming generation. And then gradually I developed interest in, you know, what would I say it as? Keeping mothers happy and healthy. So the life of an unborn child. So that is where I developed interest. And I knew about this thing. When I was 20 years old, I started reading the Bhagavad Gita. And I was so intrigued by Abhimanyu, कि वो पेट में कैसे सुना था, and why the story was not completed. No, he knew how to enter the Chakravyuh, but he didn't know how to come out because his mother had slept. Then I said, if mother had slept and if he could hear, why he didn't hear the rest of the story? So then I realized if we are narrating a story to somebody and that person sleeps, we will not complete the story, no. So the father, Arjun, would have left the story half. So that is why Abhimanyu didn't know how to come out. So I had this thought that when I get married, because at the time I was just 20, when I get married and I have my own children, I'm going to practice this on my children. I didn't know anything much about Dharma Sanskar at that time. And there was no way out. I had just joined medical college and I had so much to study. And I really didn't know whom to, contact to learn these things. And then gradually in life, things started falling in place. And now I feel I became a doctor only for this purpose so that I can take care of the next generation. I want a healthy, happy generation. हम कुछ भी पैदा कर रहे हैं, हम कुछ भी देख रहे हैं. Everybody is talking about food, but I say no, it is food for thought, which is more important. The environment that is created around a pregnant woman will actually change the world and make it a happy place. Tomorrow is 21st December. First meditation will be celebrated all over the world. And I want all the pregnant women to just sit through that and give that sanskar to the children. So we are so happy and lucky that we're conducting this session today. Yes, Priya.
This is so amazing to hear. The two most important things before meditation you just mentioned, stress and food for thought. I think this is something सबके लिए सबको सोचने पे मजबूर कर देता है. I think that is something really great. So we understood where your journey started. So what was it? So we've understood what. How did you think that this would be the basis for something that has to reach to so many people? Was it through your journey of gynecology as you were practicing, at your clinic, at hospital? Was it during that time? Obviously, there's always in and out every day आपका interaction हो रहा है, patients के साथ, families के साथ. I think that would have been like the ground for live data for you in terms of business
Yes.
language. So that's where you gain, and maybe that did that also lead you to think, gave you a lot of insights that this is where I need to also pay attention to, and how did that help you in Amma's Garb Sanskars.
Yeah, every time, because a few years ago, pregnancy tests were done either in the laboratory or by the doctor. These kits were not available to everybody the way they are now. So every time the patient walked in and she said she's missed her periods, and I would do a pregnancy test and tell her, congratulations, you're pregnant. And her expressions would change. Suddenly she was engulfed with fear. Can I do this? Can I do that? Can I eat this? Can I walk? And then I have to actually tell them, बच्चे प्रेग्नेंट होना नॉर्मल है, प्रेग्नेंट ना होना बीमारी है. So now what people have done, they've made pregnancy as pathology. It is not pathology. And then I said, all this stress, ये खा लें, वो कर लें, ये, oh my God, the girls thought they've become chui mui because they become pregnant, and then they should just sit and everybody should run around and do their seva. No, you have to keep yourself healthy and happy. And how will that be? When you're doing your normal everyday activities. If every pregnant woman sits down like this, imagine in India we have 130 million deliveries. All those women will sit for 9 months. OMG, how will this country work? सबके घरों में काम रुक जाएगा, खाने के लाले पड़ जाएंगे. Will starve to death. No? So, and even today, rural and urban का यदि हम देखें तो the cesarean rates have increased exponentially in the cities. But in the rural India, even today, we have more of normal deliveries. Why? Because those women know this is the way and they're active. They don't have so many doubts and fears because they're not sitting and Googling all the time. Now, the biggest challenge is everybody has the mobile in their hand. The doctor's written some medicine, they'll Google it right away. ऐसे जब शादी किए थे तो गूगल किए थे क्या शादी के साइड इफेक्ट, हस्बैंड ऐसा बोला तो क्या करना चाहिए? You are not googling that, you're not even googling the laws कि what are the rights of women. But डॉक्टर ने लिखा, so the doubt is coming, and every doubt will affect your baby's nature. आपका बच्चा भी पैदा होगा, डाउटफुल बच्चा पैदा होगा. The baby will also start doubting, is this my mother, is this my father? So it is so important to have faith. And during pregnancy, it is not one mantra or one day, it is a 9 month journey. And there are so many components in that. See, 50% is your genetic DNA, which can't be changed. But there is something called epigenetics that is created by the environment, by your husband, by your in laws, by your friends, by your family. That can be changed. And that is positive, everything is good. And we've lost so much. You know, there are Sola Sanskar. Garbhadan Sanskar is done before the pregnancy. आपको कैसा बच्चा चाहिए? आम खाना तो आम का पेड़ लगाओगे, पीपल चाहिए तो पीपल का पेड़ लगाओगे. ऐसे ही ड्यूरिंग द प्लानिंग फेज वॉट एवर थॉट्स यू हैव, you will download that kind of a soul in your uterus. सब डाउनलोडिंग चल रहा है आजकल के जमाने में, बच्चे यही भाषा समझते हैं. तो with what intent you have intercourse, वैसा ही बच्चा आएगा. Have you ever thought why there's so much of crime, so much of lust, so much of rape? Why? Lustful sex leads to these things. This is very, very subtle sign. तो यदि आपको एक अच्छा, एक साधु संत टाइप का बच्चा पैदा करना है, तो उन भावनाओं के साथ, एंड इट इज सच अ प्योर थिंग. आई डोंट नो व्हाई पीपल से सेक्स इंटरकोर्स इज बैड. सदियों से प्रोक्रिएशन ऐसे ही चल रहा है और उसमें भी पवित्रता चाहिए. नो, तो द सीड सोइंग हैज टू बी राइट. द मदर इज डेफिनेटली इंपॉर्टेंट. 80% उसका इफेक्ट आ रहा है, but the 20% that the father is giving is also very important. No, the sperms have to be healthy. जो बीज हम बोएंगे वो उगेगा कि नहीं होगा, उगेगा. It depends on the quality of the sperms as well. So both of them play a role. The cell, mostly it is formed by the mother. but the mitochondria in the cell is contributed by the sperm. So it is very very integral, मदर का रोल, फादर का रोल. तो जो 50% जेनेटिक्स की मैं बात कर रही थी, that is what we need to work as a society and make sure that every pregnant woman is healthy and happy too. क्योंकि तभी फिर आगे की जनरेशन वैसा होगी. Yes.
This is my mind is blown. This is, I mean, it is, as you said, it is very subtle because many of us, I mean, the young generation, we're always thinking, what is this? And honestly, as a speaker, it was very new to me as well. And learning so much in the first, discussion, it is wow. It's actually wow. Science is wow. Human beings, the mind, and how you've been explaining the challenges, the environment for the child. I think that's something सबको ध्यान रखना चाहिए, and if they are planning on for children and this. If you could lead us into more onto how, what are the other challenges, like you've mentioned three four in this question as well. Any other thing जो आपको लगता है that along with the mothers, as you said, the environment contributes a lot. So what kind of environment are we talking about? And how do you address, all of this to a new a person, a new mother, or she's planning on becoming a mother? How do you address all of this?
ओके ओके. देखो, हिंदुस्तान एक देश है. आई सेड 16 संस्कार. तो आई स्पोक अबाउट गर्भाधान. वंस द वुमन इज प्रेग्नेंट, at about 8 weeks to 10 weeks, there's another संस्कार called पुंसवन संस्कार. ये सारी चीजें लुप्त हो गई हैं, एंड आई एम वर्किंग टू रिवाइव दिस. तो पुंसवन संस्कार क्यों करते हैं? टू टेल द वर्ल्ड दैट यू आर प्रेग्नेंट. And how we respect pregnant women. Na? If you're traveling and you see a pregnant woman, anybody would offer her a seat, no? हम नॉर्मल है, हमारा पेट निकला हुआ तो पीपल विल लाफ एट अस, देखो कैसी फिगर है, कैसे पेटली है. बट इफ यू आर प्रेग्नेंट, कितना सम्मान. अरे वो प्रेग्नेंट है, उसका पेट ऐसा है, तो ना, respect comes the moment you're pregnant. So you need to announce it to the world that now this woman is pregnant and everybody should know how to behave with her. उसको क्या बताना है, क्या नहीं बताना है. नो शॉकिंग न्यूज एंड ऑल दैट, ना. ब्रेकिंग न्यूज नॉट नीडेड, ना. And then after that, when the journey continues towards the end of the pregnancy, again the girl has lots of discomfort because she's carrying the baby, weight बढ़ गया है, उसका weight बढ़ गया है, back में pain हो रहा है. So many things are happening. So that is the time another sanskar is done called Simantonan sanskar. And that is the आजकल ये चलो ना, hours of blessings and all that. तो प्रेगनेंसी में वो एक इट्स बिकम मोर ऑफ सेलिब्रेशन. तो संस्कार पार्ट उसका खत्म हो गया. तो इन सब चीजों की पूजा होती है आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग में. ये सारे संस्कार करवाए जाते हैं ऑनलाइन एंड ऑफलाइन बोथ. तो दीज थिंग्स शुड बी डन बिकॉज ये मेरा कल्चर है, ये मेरा आयुर्वेद है, ये मेरा सनातन धर्म है. And you'll be surprised to know that I live in a Muslim area, so Muslims are still following so many cultures. वो बहुत फॉलो करते हैं. We so called became modern, ये बेकार वो बेकार, we started leaving all these things. So it is high time we get back to our roots. And where are the roots? गर्भ में. The amniotic fluid, जिस पानी में बच्चा रहता है, that is also liquid. And I'm sure you would have heard that water has memory. गुरुजी इसके बारे में अक्सर बोलते हैं ना, वाटर हैज मेमोरी. तो जब बच्चा पानी में है, तो योर amniotic fluid also is absorbing everything and it is forming its own crystals. So the amniotic fluid could be a healthy version or a non-healthy version. कहाँ से? हमारे शब्द जो हम बोल रहे हैं. If I scold somebody, who is the first victim? The baby. The baby doesn't know हम किसी और को डांट रहे हैं. अब मैं श्रेया को डांटू, तुमने सेशन लेट क्यों स्टार्ट किया, ब्ला 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 ब्ला, आई गो ऑन एंड ऑन. नो, तो द बेबी डजंट नो कि देयर इज समवन कॉल्ड श्रेया, उसको लगता है कि मेरे को डांट रही है. When parents are arguing or parents are fighting during pregnancy, the baby takes the blame. बच्चे को लगता है मेरे चलते मेरे पेरेंट्स आर फाइटिंग. तो दैट ब्लेम गेम दैट हस्बैंड वाइफ वो कर रहे हैं, बच्चे को लगता है कि सारा ब्लेम गेम मेरे पे ही है. तो साइकोलॉजी हैज प्रूवन दीज थिंग्स. इट इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट कि वाटर हैज मेमोरी, हमें ये याद रखना है और हमें उस माता से क्या बोलना है, क्या करना है. हम लोग खाना तो मंत्र पढ़ के बोलते हैं, लेकिन जो हम पानी पीते हैं उसका क्या करते हैं? दो घूंट पानी पिया, रख दिया, एंड देन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द होल वर्ल्ड एंड कंप्लेनिंग एंड डिस्कसिंग ऑल द पॉलिटिक्स. वो पानी इज टॉक्सिक. तो whenever you take a glass of water, just hold it for a while, chant a mantra, and then drink that water. वही मंदिरों में जाते हैं तो हमें अभिमंत्रित जल मिलता है, पंचामृत मिलता है, वो जरा से के लिए हम इतना लाइन लगाए रखते हैं. So that is the value of charged water. Even our amniotic fluid is charged. And how? By the people around us. And by our own vocabulary. हमारी क्या लिंगो है, हम किन शब्दों का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं, is definitely affecting me and my baby first before. मुझे बोलते हैं ना कि गुस्सा करना क्या है, वो जहर पहले हमने पिया, दूसरे को तो बाद में मारेगा, वो पहले हमको मारेगा. तो वही बच्चे का भी हाल है. तो वी हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. यस.
This is amazing. Okay. Lot of knowledge for all of us here. Ma'am, Anita ji, then in this case, what are the common, I would take this conversation towards this way. Uh, you're a founder of Amaz Garb Sanskars. Uh, what are the misconceptions that you see in your first thing is obviously I would start with this. आपका target audience कौन है other than the mothers? Second is what are the misconceptions all the entire target audience carries? And what are the few resources that you use to help them? Because this is a different kind of business and venture, in fact, I would like to say. And from your experience, you come with so much of experience, so much of wealth of knowledge. How do you put it across? आप communicate कैसे करते हैं? Because for an entrepreneur, it is very important to communicate. And in this area, this is very crucial. So if you could highlight a few points in these three sections, it would be great.
Okay. Uh, I had already gathered this knowledge before COVID. And just before COVID, I said I need to, grow this as a business, a parallel business besides my own practice, because I was also so busy. I have my own nursing home and being an art of living faculty. The center is in my premises, so I was running around all the time. So my patients, I used to tell them, "Acha, ye karo," no? That way. But and then I registered for one course. This is a digital marketer called Siddharth Rajshekhar. So I paid 6,000 rupees for that course. And then I attended his sessions and he says, video bana ke dalo. I said, video to mujhe banana hi nahi aata hai. So then I signed up for another video making course. That was a 30-day course for 2,000 rupees. I said, 2,000 to sasta hai. Let me do it. And I ordered for the camera and stand and all those things. And then COVID happened. I said, I was prepared to go live. And then one fine one day, I just said, I'll go Facebook Live today and tell people what Garb Sanskar is. So I just sent a story, na Insta pe ye सब message वगैरह डाले. I had audience and I got my first customer also from there. I said, wow, 20,000 rupees. एक session लेके. I was amazed because it's a long program. It's a 9 month, it's a 1 year program, in fact, no? Pregnancy से पहले और delivery के बाद तक का. So I said for 1 year, first I was very confused, क्या रखे क्या है? I said, नहीं, there is a lot of effort involved, and that is how my journey started. And then there was no looking back. एक से दूसरा, दूसरे से दूसरा, and it is just WhatsApp groups or Facebook or Insta. And then I was involved with iMom. That's a very famous app now. And I can say it on an open platform that the idea of Garbh Sanskar was given by me to those children. वो भी मेरे बच्चे हैं. Ravi was in Varanasi, so I know him so well. And it really worked. And I started working with them, and then I gained more fame, and that is how people contacted me on social media. And that's how I've been working for so many years now. And then it was from one app, and then some more people asked me for help, and then I was helping them. Now also I'm working with somebody besides doing my own work. So then I realized there is so much that people don't know, and this awareness is so, so important. So for me, more than the money part, obviously money, काम करो पैसा आता है तो थोड़ा गर्मी आता है. But then I'm already a very satisfied person because I already have my hospital and so many years of practice. But extra money doesn't pinch, no? Yeah.
Uh, Anita ji, so this is one thing, this is amazing to hear. I mean, power of social media, power of how one person can spread that awareness, that, education, and how you got your first customer and how you went about it, it's great. So can you highlight something about how you built your own team for this? I mean, as you're saying, you have your own hospital, your own practice, and
Yeah.
you're not a living faculty, and you are, running this, you're running Amaz Sanskar. So, how do you manage it? Would be the next question. But before that, we want to understand from you: is there a team behind you? Are you working with a team? How is it?
I have a one-man team. Only my guru is with me. Before COVID, I'd gone to the ashram and I happened to ask him, I said, Guruji, गर्भ संस्कार स्टार्ट करना चाहते हो? बोले हाँ हाँ करो ना. एंड आई डिडंट नो कि कैसे स्टार्ट होगा. आई हैड जस्ट सेड गुरुजी पर करें, हाँ हाँ करो ना. एंड देन बस हो गया. करो ना तो होता चला गया. I have another yoga expert with me because we believe in taking only live sessions. I don't believe in giving a recording to anybody because आज तक मैंने एक भी रिकॉर्डिंग पूरा कभी नहीं देखा है. However important the topic is. 15 मिनट देखा फिर बाद में देखेंगे, 15 मिनट देखा बाद. So the continuation is lost. So I said I will take only live classes. So I take live classes practically every day. And it's a passion. There are sometimes girls say, नहीं हम my normal classes are at 8:30 every day. नहीं हम रात में नहीं कर सकते, हमारा वो evening shift वाला work है. So for them, I even take classes in the morning. It is tight for me. But then I said, even if that one child wants to, be born with the sanskars, it is my moral right to, spare that time for that little kid of mine. And all these girls जो रहती है ना, सब मेरी बेटियां हैं. और जो मेरे बच्चे होते हैं, मैं उन सब की नानी हूँ. So I feel so good. I have so many grandkids. And the best part is when I meet them, मैं उनको गोद में लेती हूँ ना, whichever city I travel, वहाँ मेरे स्टूडेंट्स हैं ही. तो आई मेक इट अ पॉइंट टू मीट देम. एंड वो बच्चे को गोद में लेते जला स्टंड, एकदम ऐसे आंख खोल के देखेंगे. They've been hearing me every day for 9 months, so they recognize my voice. A child recognizes mother's voice by 18 to 19 weeks, father's voice by 23 weeks, and Dr. Anita Chaudhary's voice, if you have attended my अम्मा गर्भ संस्कार, तो वो तीन आवाजें तो ना familiar होके पैदा होते हैं. And I can feel that bond, and that is my, return gift. That's my that look.
This is so beautiful to hear. The connection you're explaining, how you go about it. I think this is wonderful. It's something all of us are we're just listening. It's just beautiful to see this and hear. Uh, Anita ji, okay, it'll be as आपने बोला, आपने गुरुदेव को जैसे just बोल दिया, I want to do this. And Gurudev just said this. Karuna. Uh, how did your journey into art of living start? And the practices that helped you build Amma's Garbh Sanskar. I mean, to this level, it's just beautiful because managing all of this, and as you said, morning ho ya sham ho, you are right there for for the mothers, for the child. It is something that we can only imagine. So how did it help your practice? How did it help the work you're doing right now?
Okay. I am from an army background. My father was an army officer. So that discipline was already there in my DNA. So मेरे जीवन घड़ी के हिसाब से चलता है, इतने बजे से इतने बजे ये, and getting up in the morning, doing sadhana, sanyam. I do sanyam every day. Then I sandhya vandan karti hu. I do everything. So all that package is definitely there, and I think that is my strength. How did I come in art of living? I barely knew anything. I lived in Bangalore earlier. I've done my education from there. And in 1994, I moved to Varanasi. I got married and I came here. And I wouldn't read too much of Hindi magazines or Hindi newspaper. तो घर में आता था, those were the times जब गुरुजी के कभी कभी फोटोज आर्टिकल्स निकलते थे. And one day I was just walking, I saw वो किताब टाइम्स ऑफ नहीं इंडिया टुडे मैगजीन आती थी, उस पे न्यू एज गुरुज करके गुरुजी का एक वो था. आई वॉज वेरी इंट्रीग्ड बाय हिज क्लोथ्स, वाइट स्पार्कलिंग क्लोथ, और वो क्या पहनते हैं ना. आई बॉट दैट बुक. आई सेड आई वांट टू नो अबाउट दिस पर्सन. So I read about him. ठीक है, बात खत्म. एंड देन एवरी टाइम सम हिंदी आर्टिकल पेपर में आता था, वो मेरे सामने होता था. So it was like, Guruji was following me kind of. Then one day we were operating on a very complicated case, so I'd called the surgeon as well. He was going through a tough time. So he said कि भाभी, एक ना कोई स्ट्रेस फ्री मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम होता है कोई आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग का, वो करते हैं. ऐसे ठीक है, चलो करते हैं. बट बिफोर दिस व्हाट हैपेंड इन 2000, somebody gave me a form, अपने बेसिक कोर्स का फॉर्म, कि एक एक कुछ होता है. मैंने किया, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, तुम करो. आई डिडंट नो आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग, आई डिडंट नो गुरु की नथिंग ना. तो तब ये सेजल दीदी वगैरह बनारस आए थे कोर्सेज वगैरह लेने के लिए. दैट वाज 2000. आई केप्ट दैट फॉर्म फॉर 4 years. एंड देन व्हेन दिस सर्जन टोल्ड मी कि करना है, आई सेड वो फॉर्म तो मेरे पास है. एंड बाय देन द सेंटर हैड शिफ्टेड वेरी क्लोज टू माय हाउस. पहले दूर था सेंटर, बाय देन इट वाज जस्ट वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस. आई सेड वहां सेंटर जाती हूँ, और बाहर आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग और उसके नीचे एक नंबर लिखा हुआ है. दैट वाज अ मंडे. तो वहां नंबर देके मैंने कॉल किया. ऐसे ऐसे बोले हाँ कल आ जाइए, 500 रुपये फीस है. एंड आई वेंट. लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म, एवरीथिंग चेंज्ड फॉर मी. एंड देन बीइंग इन दिस प्रोफेशन, इट मेड मी मोर empathetic. Maybe if I was not in art of living, I would have been a little arrogant, maybe a little rude, because I basically belong to Haryana, so our language is a little rough. तो मैं शायद उसी भाषा में उसी टोन में ही रह जाती if it wasn't for the art of living. And then I didn't want to become a teacher. I didn't join art of living to become a teacher. लेकिन नहीं, आपको टीचर बनना चाहिए. एनीवेयर आई वुड गो, आप टीचर, कोई भी बाहर का, आप टीचर बनिए, आप टीचर हैं क्या. तो दे लिटरली पुश मी. आई सेड दैट वाज द टाइम 21 डेज का टीटीसी होता था. आई सेड 21 डेज में हॉस्पिटल, 3 बच्चे छोड़ के कैसे जाऊंगी मैं. माय पेरेंट्स सेड वो दिल्ली से आके बच्चे मैनेज कर लेंगे. माय हस्बैंड अग्रीड, माय किड्स अग्रीड. एंड देन 2009 आई बिकेम अ टीचर, एंड life just moved on. Every week I was taking courses. My holiday was Monday. ट्यूसडे से कोर्स चालू हो रहा है, संडे को खत्म हो रहा है, मंडे को अगेन वी आर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग फॉर द कोर्स. So that is how things continued till COVID. After COVID, definitely the whole organization, we know, थोड़े challenges हैं, लेकिन अभी भी काम तो चल ही रहा है. अभी 25th से मैंने फिर कोर्स रखा है. तो what I learned in art of living, what the blessings that I carry is what is being carried on to the girls that I know, जो non art of living girls हैं, so many of them have done the course, उनको सहज करवाती हूँ, so they learn to meditate, ना? नवरात्रि टाइम पे, दोनों नवरात्रि में गुरु जी के जो मेडिटेशंस होते हैं, आई टेल देम यूट्यूब पे अवेलेबल है, रोज का एक एक मेडिटेशन करो, उससे they also fall in love with Gurudev. So it's just spreading happiness from here, but main source तो वही है. And I told you another yoga expert is there with me. तो लाइव योगा वो लेती है सैटरडेज एंड संडेज, नो रिकॉर्डिंग, नो रिकॉर्डिंग, बिकॉज आई वांट टू नो कि क्या तुमने सुना, स्टूडेंट और टीचर एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे है कि नहीं है. आई एम नॉट हियर टू अर्न मनी, कि ना पैसा दे दिया, ये लो तुम सुनना सुन लो, देखना देख लो. नो, यू हैव टू सिट इन माई क्लास विद वीडियोज ऑन सो दैट वी कैन इंटरैक्ट. एंड माई गर्ल्स आर सो पंक्चुअल, नोबडी वांट्स टू मिस द क्लासेस. वो क्लास बंक करने का मन ही नहीं करता.
That's on the teacher. The teacher is wonderful.
है ना, सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी एक ही जगह से है.
Perfect. Absolutely, ma. So you've addressed the future generations as well. You're pushing them. Yes, please meditate karo. Very helpful. So one thing I would like to ask you, along with meditation practice, sadhana practice, and awareness, आपके field में क्या चल रहा है, and looking at different opportunities, what are the qualities एक entrepreneur को रखना चाहिए, to move forward with that vision? जैसे आपका, you must have felt a shift in the mindset also,
Yes.
from, you were a gynac, practicing gynac, you were a gynac, and from there into this venture. So what was that shift in the mindset, and do you think that is very important for every entrepreneur to hold?
देखो, डॉक्टर्स तो बहुत मिलेंगे तुम्हें ना, every street, every corner, and you'll get good doctors. But a modern medicine doctor with a passion for Ayurveda and interested in the future generation combinations nahi milenge. So I made that as my USP, and I think that worked. So now even my colleagues, I tell them कि ऐसा चीज है तो ऐसा वो करो, and I got into helping these mothers more than earning money. तो स्टार्टअप्स में चैलेंजेस आते हैं, कभी कभी मेरे को भी लगता था आई वुड हैव ओनली वन स्टूडेंट, लाइक फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट आया, उसके तो थोड़े दिन बाद दूसरा आया, तीसरा, ऐसे. बट समटाइम्स वो थोड़ा डिप भी होता है, एंड देन अगेन इट पिक्स अप, एंड इट्स एन ऑन गोइंग जर्नी. तो कोविड के बाद से आई ऑलवेज हैड क्लासेस रेगुलरली, आई ऑलवेज हैव हैड स्टूडेंट्स, इंडिया भी, यूएस भी, यूरोप भी, आई हैड स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर. One thing is not to give up. Maybe I can say that because I was already financially sound. और अभी भी मेरा practice तो चल ही रहा है ना. But people who are doing only this, give your 100%. Be very truthful. We should never try to give false promises. ना? जब मैं बाहर जाती हूँ, when I go for holidays, I have some friends who will take some classes, photography कैसे करना. So I have a photographer who will take those classes. Then I have another friend, स्टोरी टेलिंग कैसे करना है, फॉर यू नो गर्भ संवाद कैसे करना है. तो आई हैव मोर पीपल हु कीप देम एंगेज. आई विल नॉट से अच्छा ये रिकॉर्डिंग सेशन है तुम लोग देख लेना, नथिंग. So I said I have to be very, very truthful, and I think that is my nature. I was born that way. पर हाँ, कन्विक्शन भी चाहिए, और वो कन्विक्शन तभी आएगा. इफ आई टेल यू रसगुल्ला इज सॉफ्ट एंड वाइट एंड स्वीट एंड वेरी डिलीशियस, जब तक तुम रसगुल्ला खाओगी नहीं, you will not be able to tell exactly what a rasgulla is. Same thing about this. And my audience, you were asking, it is not just pregnant mothers, it is everybody. The college students should know there is something called like this. कल नहीं तो परसों शादी होनी ही है, तो ऐसी चीज है. जो बुजुर्ग लोग हैं, उनके घर में भी बच्चे हैं, बेटा बहू है, बेटी दामाद है, इवन दे शुड नो. तो when it comes to an awareness campaign, it is everybody. एंड आई हैड मदर्स कि हम ज्वाइन करेंगे, हमारी बेटी को हम बता देंगे, ऐसा नहीं, आप ज्वाइन करना, आप ज्वाइन करो, लेकिन बेटी को रहना जरूरी है।
This is beautiful. Conviction, truthful, and as you said, not giving false promises. I think very core to every entrepreneur here. So you've already spoken
इट
about
इज नॉट अ फेयर एंड लवली क्रीम ना, क्रीम लगाओ गोरे हो जाओगे भाई। हमने कितनी हिंदुस्तान में फेयर एंड लवली बेच ली, कोई गोरा नहीं हुआ।
सही है, absolutely right, absolutely right. Uh, so we've already spoken about this, but I'd like to address this once more. Uh, you are a strong, I'm 100% sure you're a strong believer in the power of social media. That's how this started. So, for all the people, the budding entrepreneurs यहाँ पे है जो हैं, how would you advocate this, the platform to them? Like use it the right way. How, अगर कुछ सीखना है उसके बारे में, how would you go about it? आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इन लोगों को?
फर्स्ट इज बी ओरिजिनल। कोई कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं करना है, उसका आइडिया ले लिया ये कर लिया। यू कैन डू अ लिटिल होमवर्क। इफ यू लाइक सम आइडिया यू कैन टेक दैट, बट यू हैव टू प्रेजेंट इट इन योर ओन वे। So that is important, consistency. पर्सनली ना मैं थोड़ा कंजूस टाइप की हूँ। मैंने सोशल मीडिया पे कभी एडवर्टाइज के पैसा दे के नहीं किया। आई थिंक ओनली वंस हमारी टीम का एक वो बच्चा है, ही सेड मैम एक बार एडवर्टाइज करे तो करो। कितने का करोगे? बोला 100 रुपए का। करो करो। तो आई थिंक आई वॉज नॉट इन अ हरी। तो स्लो एंड स्टडी विंस द रेस वाली बात है, क्योंकि जो प्रेगनेंसी की जर्नी है दैट इज ऑल्सो स्लो एंड स्टडी, नो।
Right.
So I have no choice to hurry up anywhere. So
Ab-
once the girl comes with me, she's there for 1 year, और फिर उसका 2-3 साल बाद दूसरा बच्चा होता, again she comes back to me, and then I charge only once. I said तुम 10 बच्चे भी पैदा करो, I will charge you only once.
Wow.
So
Very nice.
this life is beautiful, and a pregnant woman is all the more beautiful. She doesn't even realize what she's creating inside. ना? So many changes are happening. तो मैं क्या कहती हूँ, जीजा भाई बनो ना, बिकम अ स्ट्रॉन्ग मदर, बिकॉज ओनली यू कैन ब्रिंग चेंजेस इन द वर्ल्ड। कौन करेगा? कौन करेगा? कोई नहीं करेगा, आप करोगे भाई। तो वी नीड स्ट्रॉन्गर मदर्स टू हैव स्ट्रॉन्गर चिल्ड्रन। नहीं तो बस ये संसद में आजकल चल रहा ना, उसको थप्पड़ मार, उसको धक्का मार, ऐसे ही बच्चे हम पैदा करके रह जाएंगे। तो संस्कार वाले बच्चे चाहिए। बच्चे पैदा करना बड़ी बात नहीं है, संस्कार वाले बच्चों की हमें आवश्यकता है। पुराने जमाने में कितने ऋषि मुनि पैदा होते थे, अब कहाँ गए वो ना। तो हमारे को वही युग वापस लाना है, एंड दिस इज द इजीएस्ट वे। एंड यू कैन नॉट टीच चिल्ड्रन, दे लर्न बाय ऑब्जर्विंग। आप क्या बोल रहे हो, आप क्या देख रहे हो। वो अंदर सीसीटीवी कैमरा लेके बैठे हैं, और उनके पास शायद 100 TB का मेमोरी है, वो उस पे सब कैप्चर कर रहे हैं। एंड इट इज क्या हार्डवेयर पे लिखा जा रहा है, यू कैन अपग्रेड ना, सॉफ्टवेयर अपग्रेड होते हैं ना, तो पैदा होने के बाद वो अपग्रेड होंगे। पर एक बार जो आपने ड्राइव पे लिख दिया, यू कांट इरेज दैट कम्प्लीटली ना। तो गर्भ में रहने के पे आपने क्या उस पे लिखा है, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आई हैव अनदर फ्रेंड हु डज अ प्रोग्राम इन स्कूल चिल्ड्रन टिल क्लास 5। क्या? डी प्रोग्रामिंग, कि ये सीख के आए हैं छोटे छोटे बच्चे। आई रेड इन न्यूज़पेपर 9 year old committed suicide। रिडिकुलस। 9 साल के बच्चे को क्या स्ट्रेस होगा? दिस स्ट्रेस वाज डेफिनेटली पास्ड ऑन टू द चाइल्ड, अभी से नहीं, पहले से। आई वुडंट ब्लेम द पेरेंट्स, दे प्रोबेबली डिडंट नो अबाउट इट, बट वी हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी यू नो शील्डेड, एक टॉर्टोइज की तरह ना। यदि हम अपने दशावतार देखें, उसको भी हम प्रेगनेंसी से कोरिलेट कर सकते हैं। When you have too many problems, अपने शेल में अंदर आ जाओ. Because right now you have to protect your baby. कहीं कुछ problem हो रहा है, walk away from there. And I'm glad the boys in this generation have really changed. वो अमिताभ बच्चन जो सिखाते ना, एंग्री यंग मैन, आवर फादर्स वर ऑलवेज एंग्री. खाना क्यों नहीं बनाया, इसे नमक कम हो गया, इसे मिर्चा ज्यादा हो गया, गुस्सा करते थे. आजकल के बॉयज हैव बिकम मोर कंपैशनेट. तो कहीं तो संस्कार चेंज हो रहे हैं. एंड वी ऑल आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस. एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप और एनी वर्क दैट यू डू, जस्ट गिव योर 100%. और कभी उस चीज को हाँ मत बोलो जो नहीं होगा. कर सकते हो, पहाड़ पे चढ़ सकते हो, एफर्ट तो करना है, लेकिन हाँ बोल के. नहीं होगा, देखा जाएगा, लेकिन हाँ तो बी इन द यस माइंड. बिकॉज वॉट एवर यू आर थिंकिंग एंड डूइंग, योर चाइल्ड इज सिटिंग देयर एंड लर्निंग. सब वो नोट कर रहा है ना. कई बार देखो, बच्चे की कहते हैं ये तो एकदम अपने बाप की तरह बात कर रही है, तो अपने एकदम दादा की तरह बात कर रही है, नाना की तरह बात कर रहा है. तो दो जीन्स 50% जीन्स रिमेन एज इट इज ओनली द 50% जो एपिजेनेटिक्स पे हम काम कर रहे हैं. Yes.
This is amazing, Anita ji. And I think all of us here are just spellbound. हम लोग process कर रहे हैं अभी इतना ज़्यादा information. Uh, it is just beautiful. It's something जैसे I don't think anybody here has heard this before. It is sometimes it's just, I mean, हमने थोड़ा थोड़ा साइंस में पढ़ा था, but bringing this as an awareness, जैसे आपने बोला था, making people aware of this entire thing, I think this is beautiful. And I'd love to carry on the conversation. However, we are time bound. So if the audience has any questions, please let us know. The group of startup mantras, this session has been organized by the team management mantras. And if you have any questions, you can let us know. Dr. Anita ji is here. And so you'll have to contact the admin. They will request Anita ji if it's possible, and then we can let you know. Rahul sir.
I
Um,
can share my number. My number is available.
okay.
Every... सुनो, इसको ऊपर लेके जाओ. तो ये बहुत देर से कोई कोई कर रहा है. My dog is also very possessive. If I sit in front of the laptop, थोड़ा ज्यादा देर होता है ना, वो लगता है my mom is not with me. जाओ जाओ जाओ, जाके आओ. Yes, Rahul ji.
Yes, I think ma'am, Anita ji has shared the number.
Yeah.
So,
He raised his hand. If he wants to ask something, we can always.
yes, yes, please do.
गुड इवनिंग। आपको आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
आ रही है, loud and clear.
बहुत मजा आया मैम, है ना? और मैं कनेक्ट विद यू। हम मैं भी डॉक्टर्स के साथ में इंटरेक्ट करते हैं एंड वी डिस्कस अराउंड दिस स्पेशलिटी, ऐसे करके हम ना आई स्टार्ट डूइंग पॉडकास्ट। तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत मजा आया। एंड जो आपने एक चीज बोली ना, आयुर्वेदा एंड
Modern
एलोपैथी, तो
medicine.
मेरा
Yeah,
विजन है
allopathy.
कि
Yes,
जो ये सारे पद्धति है ना, सब साथ में दूसरे के सिंक में काम करें।
yes.
तो मैं इस पे ऑलरेडी काम कर रहा हूँ इसके लिए, है
Mm-mm.
ना? तो दैट इज द एस्पेक्ट आई वुड लाइक टू कनेक्ट विद यू।
Yeah. Oh, definitely. I always like to, meet new people and do something new.
जी।
तो साथ में काम करेंगे, मजा आएगा.
100%
एंड
मैम।
आई एंजॉय डूइंग एवरीथिंग. जो करना है उसमें मजा करो ना. खाना भी बनाना है तो एंजॉय करो, बाथरूम भी धोना है तो एंजॉय करो. व्हाई नॉट? एंड दिस इज व्हाट वी... I remember when the kids were growing up, sometimes I didn't want to do a few things. बहुत थकी हुई रहती थी. But then I still did it. Why? Because I knew I have three kids, no, gynec with no family planning. So I said, I have this three pair of eyes who are actually, judging me all the time and learning from me. And now they've learned a lot of things. Never give up. And another thing that I follow to keep myself happy is दुनिया जाए तेल लेने, मैं तो ऐसे मस्त रहूंगी. नहीं फर्क पड़ता. And ना टेंशन लो, ना टेंशन दो। अब सामने वाला मेरे को देख के खुद ही टेंस हो जाए तो मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ? Luckily, my husband is in the room. Okay,
ग्रेट।
jokes apart. So it is so important to actually smile. गुरुजी देखो कैसे स्माइल करते रहते हैं ना क्राउड में, देखो। मेरे को तो गुरुजी को देख के कई बार ना मुझे लगता है कि माय गॉड, तरह बात है, वाली बात है। कोई बाल नोच रहा है, कोई ऐसे कर रहा है, कोई वैसे कर रहा है। And I'm so fortunate he's given me a chance to do sevas in so many places. अपना श्री श्री का एक फ्री स्कूल भी मैं देखती हूँ। सब हो जाता है। जस्ट बी इन द यस माइंड। ज्यादा सो के क्या करोगे, टाइम बर्बाद करोगे। रेस्ट करो। और बहुत ज्यादा रील्स नहीं देखना है। डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम बिकॉज दैट इज ब्रिंगिंग अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रेन डैमेज। छोटे बच्चे स्पेशली, सो मेनी स्टडीज हैव कम अप। तो माय focus towards the end of pregnancy is what? Breastfeeding. And I'm glad to say all my girls, all बोले तो all do exclusive breastfeeding for their children. There is nothing called दूध नहीं हुआ। कभी सुना है गाय ने बच्चा दिया और उसको दूध नहीं हुआ? तो इंसान उससे भी बेकार है क्या? तो नो डब्बा फीडिंग, नो बॉटल फीडिंग, दैट वर्क डिफरेंटली। बच्चे का ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट इज डिफरेंट। छठी का दूध याद दिलाने के लिए बाद में कभी जरूरत होगी तो कैसे होगा, जब दूध पिए रहेंगे तभी तो। एंड द यूज ऑफ डाइपर्स इज सो बैड, वी आर लीविंग सो मेनी फुटप्रिंट्स। तो देन आई टेल द मदर्स की क्या क्लॉथ डाइपर्स, हमारे बच्चे लंगोट पहन के तो बड़े हुए ना। तो लेट अस गेट बैक टू दोज थिंग्स। तो आई से grow rich with your children or make your children grow rich. How? Every month you'll spend something like 3,000 rupees on diapers. 3,000 rupees. 36,000 रुपए तुम साल में कहीं इन्वेस्ट करो, दैट विल ग्रो। और तुम 2 साल 3 साल डाइपर पहनाने वाले हो, 1 लाख रुपए के तो तुमने डाइपर यूज करके फेंक दिए। एंड दोज फुटप्रिंट्स आर लेफ्ट। व्हाट हैव यू गिवन योर चाइल्ड? टॉयलेट ट्रेनिंग नहीं हुआ, डाइपर्स पहनाए, so many issues. So there are a lot of things that I work on when I'm doing Garb Sanskar. No using of plastic toothbrushes. आज तक जितनी टूथब्रशेस हमने यूज करी हैं वो सारी इस दुनिया में कहीं ना कहीं है। So we can shift to bamboo. It is any day better. Hmm? Yes, Kavita ji?
Yes, Kavita ji, you can ask your question.
Yes, ma'am. Very good evening.
Yeah, good
Thank you.
evening.
It's a very nice session which is going on, very informative. Thank you so much for that. Even for the organizers as well. Okay. Well, ma'am, I'm a counselor actually.
Mm-hmm.
And frankly speaking, I didn't have that much knowledge about all these Garbha Samskar and all those things. So recently, probably around a year back, I got to know I don't know how I got certain interest and inputs. I got to know many things, but being a counselor, I felt like when the child comes, it is very important the mother need to be more educated than the child. The root is need to be fixed than the tree. Actually, you need to nourish the tree first, the roots first, then automatically the tree will be fine.
Yes.
So I felt more important to take care of the parents emotional needs.
Mm-hmm.
The child will be okay after when you attend the or take care of the emotional needs of her parents. So in this background, I started searching certain things and started knowing things. So in regard to this, I just wanted to enhance my knowledge, ma'am. So can I get in touch with you to do certain courses or anything, any kinds of input, so that I can get certain information, so that I can spread
Yes, yes,
to
yes, yes.
parents or to the world, so that
Yes.
something has to keep moving.
Yes.
Everybody has to learn certain things, which is very important,
Yeah.
which is such a very intellectual and a very cultural aspect which we are missing, including mine. I didn't know all those things.
Yes. Yes.
So, what I missed, what people are missing nowadays, I want to just pass on this kind of good information so that the new generations will nourish with the good things rather than, whatever you were telling, all these things. We were not aware of many things. So
Yes.
could I, ma'am, any means that I can be in touch with you,
Yeah,
learn
yeah,
from
yeah.
you?
I've shared my number in the group, so
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
get in touch with me. You can send me a WhatsApp message, and then I can tell you what time we can, get in touch.
Yes, ma'am.
Generally, after 1 p.m. till about 5 p.m., that is the time when I can chat or talk.
Sure, ma'am. Sure. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
see, it is so true what Kavita ji said. जैसे माँ बाप होंगे वैसे ही बच्चे बनेंगे. अभी आपको क्या है? मैं तो ऐसा ही हूँ, but I want my child to be like this. Not possible. First, you have to become what you want your children to become. My child should be very truthful. अभी एक फोन बज गया, हस्बैंड का फोन था, हस्बैंड वहां सो रहे हैं, आप पिक अप द फोन एंड से, अरे डॉक्टर साहब तो कहीं बाहर गए हैं, वो फोन घर में भूल गए हैं. तो माई चाइल्ड नोज, हाँ ये तो कुछ गड़बड़ है, पापा का तो उधर से आवाज आ रहा है ना. तो वी हैव टू बिकम व्हाट वी वांट आवर किड्स टू बी. बच्चे को बहुत मेहनत करना है और हम चार पे पड़े पड़े करें, एक गिलास पानी ला के दो तो नहीं चलेगा.
Absolutely right, ma'am. This was great. Anybody, any other questions, Anita ji ke liye? Okay. So I think that is it, Dr. Anita ji. I think wonderful, wonderful, wonderful session. Thank you so much. It was super knowledgeable. I mean, uh, you're great. And the work you're doing is wonderful. And we've got to learn a lot, Aj. And to the audience, anybody who's interested in, we are sharing the link of the WhatsApp group, Startup Mantras, in the chat box. So anybody interested in joining, please go ahead, join the group. We'll have many more such sessions with many other people. And thank you so much, Dr. Anita ji.
Yeah, thank you, sir. And all the speakers that we have on management mantras are all excellent. So we shouldn't miss out these sessions. And I am available for seva anytime. ना? रात में 2 बजे भी कॉल करेंगे, इमरजेंसी है तो I'll take the call. Okay? I'll give instruction and maybe go off to sleep and next day देखूंगा इनका फोन आया था सवेरे. Okay, so I'm always there for everybody.
Thank you, ma'am.
देखो गुरु ने इतना ज्ञान दिया है, इतना प्यार दिया है, यदि हम उसका थोड़ा सा भी बांट देंगे, नहीं तो हम सब लेके मर जाएंगे, क्या करेंगे उस ज्ञान का. तो इसी दुनिया से पाया है, यहीं देके जाना है. And I would just say, keep smiling all the time. There's no reason to, have a long face. Even I was born with a round face. All children are born with a round face, हम बाद में उसको लटका लटका के लंबा कर लेते. So lots of love and blessings to everybody. Take care.
Thank you.
And take care of the women at home and take care of the little children, our future generations.
Absolutely.
Right?
To the
Bye-bye.
audience, the group will be open. आप please अपने experiences share कर सकते हैं group पे. And yeah, that would be it. And anybody who's interested in volunteering, जैसे मैम ने बोला, सेवा first. Anybody interested, please contact the admin. We are here always. Thank you so much.
And कल तो 21st है. Everybody please meditate with Gurudev. That shouldn't be missed.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Dr. Anita ji.
Yeah, very good.